but now please don't use it in line style. Let's imagine next situation. For some reason, maybe you need to use standard JavaScript stuff. Let's say if I save it now, we get a simple text because JSX doesn't recognize it as a JavaScript. But if we use this syntax, if we use curly braces, now save it, it's different. Now JSX recognizes it as a JavaScript. And now we see this in a console log. And it doesn't appear here. And it doesn't appear here as a text. No plain text anymore. Now it's like a JavaScript. So whatever JavaScript stuff we want to run, we can do it in a curly braces. Another example. Save it. And now, so what we did, we use math function random, Math.random, and we compare with 0.5. So it means we are looking for a 50% of happening something. And if it's more than 0.5, yes. If it's less, no. So let's refresh it. Yes. Refresh it again. Yes. Refresh it again. No. So depends on the result. We get some text what we can on a page. So ternary operator is brilliant. If it's true, yes. If it's not true, no. Now it's a simple string here and string here. But of course, we can render elements. For example, paragraph. We can place inside this text. We can do the same here. We can change, or we can take element whatever we want. Save it. And now, if we go to the elements, now we see. Now it's yes, and it's paragraph. Let's update it. No. And if we go there, it's H4. No, sorry. It's H5. What we declared.